Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Mokshit. I am studying second standard in our Vivekananda Public School at Pidigurala. Come here. What is your name?
My name is Charan.
My name is Mokshit. Sit here. Stand here. Go there. Sit there. Stand there. Come here. What is your name?
My name is Angamandra.
My name is Mokshit. Open the notes. Write the notes. Go. Come here. What is your name?
My name is Yashwant.
My name is Mokshit. Open the bottle cap. Drink water. Close your bottle cap. Go. Come here. What is your name?
My name is Anush.
My name is Mokshit. Open the textbook. Read.
Arvodi Rod, Sivoti God, Arvodi Rod, Sivoti God, Arvodi Rod, Sivoti God.
Go there. Thank you.